guys, I have quite the beast here now to work on. It's one that has been waiting to get looked at now for a while, and this is the first time that I've ever seen the radio, let alone get this up and close and personal with it. Apparently the radio was being cleaned at one point, and well, as in all warnings and all manuals, make sure it is unplugged during doing so. And that's all I will say about that. So, without further ado, this radio is an ICOM, sir, and it is a huge ICOM radio at that. And it is this beast. It is a ICOM IC-765 HF radio. It is quite the monster, to say the least. She is a brute. Very, very nice radio. Very nice indeed. Some close-up video of her. Very nice. So, yeah. Apparently, when she's plugged in and turned on, apparently she will start smoking. Yeah, that's not a good sign ever. But I have to see where the fault lies in the radio, and unfortunately, yeah, sometimes you have to see it to find it. Anyways, I don't know how long this series is going to go, boys, but if you're interested in the ICOM IC-765 HF radio, then stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of videos on this one, I would think, depending on the problem with it. Anyways, let's get some see some feedback on this, folks. Actually, I'm going to upload the video as is. If anybody out there have had some experience, either pros or cons, with this ICOM 765, I'd like to see your comments below. In the comments below. If you have any information or knowledge on the 765, I'd like to see your comments. Post them below. I'd like to know everything you know about the 765 before I start. Anyway guys, all the best, and stay tuned. There's lots more to come. And I'll try to get another video up tonight on this thing.